Safety first. The importance of pre-flight checks. Air travel is remarkably safe, and this is no coincidence. This high level of safety results from rigorous safety procedures, with pre-flight inspections being paramount. Before every flight, pilots and ground crews conduct these checks with meticulous care and attention to detail. These inspections help ensure that every aircraft is airworthy and ready for a safe journey, no matter the destination. Think of it as a health check for the plane, guaranteeing that all systems are good to go and functioning properly. These checks are not just routine, they are crucial for the safety of everyone on board. They help identify potential problems early on, before they can escalate into serious issues when airborne. A small issue detected on the ground can prevent a significant problem in the air, ensuring a smooth flight. Whether it's a bird strike, a loose panel, or a fluid leak, every detail matters and is addressed promptly. These inspections are a testament to the aviation industry's unwavering commitment to passenger safety and operational excellence. A pre-flight inspection is a comprehensive examination of an aircraft before each flight. It involves both visual and physical checks of the aircraft's exterior and interior. Pilots and ground crews work together, carefully inspecting every critical part of the plane. They follow detailed checklists to ensure nothing is overlooked. This process is like a detective meticulously searching for clues. They look for any signs of damage, wear and tear, or anything out of the ordinary. This includes checking the fuselage, wings, tail, engines, tires, and more. The inspection also covers essential fluids, lights, and control surfaces. No detail is too small when it comes to ensuring the aircraft's safety. The exterior inspection, often called a walk-around, is the first line of defense in ensuring the safety and airworthiness of the aircraft. Pilots and ground crew meticulously walk around the entire aircraft, visually inspecting every inch for any signs of potential issues. They start with the nose, checking the pitot tubes and static ports, which are vital for accurate airspeed and altitude readings. These instruments are crucial for the pilot's situational awareness. Next, they examine the fuselage for any dents, scratches, or loose panels. Even minor damage can affect the aircraft's aerodynamics and structural integrity. They inspect the wings, looking for any damage, especially to the leading edges, which are critical for lift and overall flight performance. Moving to the tail, they check the rudder and elevators, ensuring they move freely and are not obstructed. These control surfaces are essential for maneuvering the aircraft. The engine inspection is particularly crucial, looking for leaks, cracks, or any signs of wear and tear. The engine's reliability is paramount for safe flight operations. Finally, the landing gear is thoroughly examined, including tires, brakes, and hydraulic lines. Ensuring the landing gear is in top condition is vital for safe takeoffs and landings. While the exterior inspection focuses on the aircraft's physical condition, the interior check centers on the cockpit and its systems. Pilots meticulously review a checklist, ensuring all instruments, controls, and warning systems are functioning correctly. They test the radios, navigation equipment, and autopilot. They check the fuel gauges, ensuring accurate readings and that the fuel is free of contaminants. The pilots also verify that all emergency equipment are present and in working order, including oxygen masks, fire extinguishers, and first aid kits. This thorough check helps ensure the cockpit is ready for any situation. Pre-flight inspections are not just a box to be checked, they are fundamental to aviation safety. Every detail, no matter how small, is scrutinized to ensure the aircraft is in perfect condition. These meticulous checks help ensure that every flight departs with the highest level of confidence. Pilots and crew rely on these inspections to confirm that all systems are functioning correctly. They allow pilots and crew to identify and address potential problems before they become serious threats. This proactive approach is crucial in preventing in-flight emergencies. This meticulous approach to safety is one of the reasons why flying is statistically the safest mode of transportation. The rigorous standards and protocols in place are designed to protect everyone on board. So the next time you settle into your seat and prepare for takeoff, remember the heroes who worked behind the scenes to ensure a safe journey. Their dedication and attention to detail make all the difference. The pre-flight inspection is a testament to their dedication and a reminder that safety is paramount in the world of aviation. Every flight is a collaborative effort, ensuring that passengers reach their destinations safely and securely.